I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Well, the linkage on the treadle grinder has been bad for quite a while. And I kept saying I'm going to get back to it, and I got sidetracked. I'm back on it. First thing I need to do is figure out a way to turn down the shanks on the linkages for the crank. This is a Harbor Freight cutter. And as they come out of the box, they don't cut at all. But they're not the expensive kind that have actually been sharpened before you get them. These are the inexpensive kind. The kind that are just about minimal that you can possibly get. But with just a little bit of work with a handstone, diamond plate that is, I'm able to make a good, reasonable cut with this inferior tool. I got about 20 thousandths to go, but the phone's ringing. Perfect. Now I just have to thread the end of that about 1/8 of an inch, actually the full width of a nut. Unplug the lathe. Having a problem with my glasses. Even though these are spring temples, they keep sliding down my nose and pinching my nostrils shut. And I don't realize it until I look at the video later and realize I'm standing here with my mouth open because I can't breathe. Which is just totally bogus. I'm knocking the burrs off the thread that I put on there with the file. Now I'm cutting flats on it. I can use the file as a milling machine on a small part like this. I just use the nut on the back of it as a guide and file 2 flats on it. If you have a suggestion for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.